Well, good morning, everyone. It's April 5th, and it's about 8 degrees outside in the Twin Cities, or 8 to 12, depending on what you believe or which thermometer you're looking at. I'm going to go ahead and start the Nissan up. I've actually did a hard cold start yesterday, did not want to go, and I have a theory that it might be due to the fact that we have summer blended gasolines, and it's super cold out. So I'm going to try it again today, and here we go. Okay. Well. Huh, how interesting. That was a pretty clean start. I did fill it up with gas. It was about 1/4 of a tank, so maybe that's something to do with it. Water condensation or something like that. Okay, well, that's pretty normal. Yeah, it's been just way below average, and we've gotten a lot of snow. In fact, if I kind of pan to my left over here, you can see that we got about 8 inches of snow on what was it, Tuesday, or Sunday, Monday rather. Tuesday morning was just awful because it all frozen, it's super slippery, and we're supposed to get more snow this coming weekend. So it'll be nice when spring gets here, so we can actually, open up the panoramic sunroof and enjoy some warm weather. But as you can see, it's pretty much just frozen now. So anyway, well, everybody have a good morning, and talk to you later.